Good morning and welcome to Emiliana Imballaggi. Today, I will introduce you to the E-Block Crate, an innovative solution that combines practicality, durability, and sustainability, perfect for the safe and fast transportation of your goods. The E-Block Crate is equipped with reusable steel hooks and a quick locking system that does not require nails or staples, allowing for easy assembly. E-Block is the perfect box for frequent shipments, especially in environments that require fast handling. E-Block is designed to support high loads in both static and dynamic stacking. The walls are made of multi-layer plywood, providing superior mechanical strength. Additionally, thanks to the separation of the wooden panels, disposal is easy. The main features are easy locking system with reusable steel tabs and slots, inspectability from any side and customization with logos, handles, dividers, and more. The E-Block Crate is ideal for transporting materials during fairs and events, where a sturdy and easily manageable packaging is required, allowing quick access to the contents and enabling multiple uses. If you believe that the E-Block Crate meets your needs, feel free to contact us for more details.